Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. Belated wish you many happy new year to all of you. Our today's topic is hotel review and we will see why is volume of reviews important for any hotel business as well as how to encourage your guests to leave review for your hotel business. So let's start the video. You may already have some good reviews for your hotel business, but if the count is very less for your reviews as well as they were not recently updated and the frequency is very less, then you should definitely worried about it because your hotel's online review may directly impact on some key performance measures like your ranking on review sites, also ranking on some search engines like Google, Yahoo and Bing, as well as OTA platform and some third-party distribution websites. Last but not least, it will affect on online reputation management score and eventually it will affect on your sales and conversion rate. So the review play a crucial role in hotel business. Now the question arises in your mind, how to increase positive review from your customer or your guest? Let me tell you how. Before you ask the review, create a remarkable experience first. Whatever the category you are, just make sure you are providing value for money. So they leave your hotel with excited and inspired to take the time to want to share their experience with the world. People do nice things with nice people. It is alright if you ask proactively about the reviews. Just do one thing. Ask 2 to 3 random questions about your services while they are doing checkout. And if their body language and their words excited while doing checkout, then definitely ask them about reviews, and if not, then leave them. Now we will talk about when to ask review for your hotel business listing. There is no such a time to ask review. Whenever you get chance, just grab it. But I will tell you some key moments where you can ask review for your hotel business listing. During checkout process, also in follow-up emails. If somebody tell you some positive points while staying at your hotel, then that moment is the right moment to ask about review for your listing. If someone leave a good feedback note on their room, then don't let that feedback stay on paper. Contact the guest by email or call and ask them to consider to share their thoughts with others online. Also, you can ask review on your business card as well as on social media. I will tell you one pro tip here. You already know how people are busy during checkout process and they hardly have time to open your business listing in OTA platform as well as your website to write a note, a good note on your business, right? Also, not all the guests think to put review once they left your hotel, even though they have a very impressed with your hospitality services and your packages. If you agree with this, then listen my pro tip very carefully and follow those steps step by step, and you will definitely get volume of reviews before your hotel's guest leaving your hotel. What you need to do is you need to attach your review barcode on your checkout desk, so people can directly scan that barcode and write review within a second for your hotel business listing. Now the question is how to create the barcode for review link, and so people can directly scan that barcode and directly redirect to that review link. Now follow the following steps. This tip will definitely increase the volume of reviews. I will tell you here one example for one hotel listing, and that hotel is Taj Hotel Mumbai. So whatever the steps I will do for this Taj business listing, you just need to copy all those steps and implement those steps for your business. So let's start. Go to the Google and type the word White Spark. Once you reach to the website whitespark.ca, you will see one link, Google Review Link Generator link. You need to click that link and you will redirect to the Google Review Link Generator page from White Spark. Don't worry if you don't found this page. I have given this link in my description section, so you can get this link from my description section. Okay, then put your business name in enter business section. Like I am putting my business name Taj Hotel Mumbai. Once you put your business name here, you will see different business listing from different location with the same hotel name. You need to choose the correct listing for your business. After that, you need to cross check this link. You need to check whether this link provide the correct address or correct business review listing for my business. Like here, this link redirect me to the Taj Mahal Hotel Mumbai Palace review section. You can see here. Once you cross check this website with your business review section, then you need to go to the Google and type the QR code monkey website. Once you go to this website, you will see the home page of this website and you need to paste your review section website here. Once you put your review section, you need to add your logo. Once you add your logo, you need to go to the create QR code and you will see your QR code with your business logo. You just need to download this logo and once you open this logo, you will see the QR code for your business listing. You can print this QR code with color sticker paper and add this QR code at your checkout desk. So your guest review your property by directly scanning with their camera and it's a time saving process for both of you. That's all. Now you will get idea how you can increase your volume of reviews. I have given all those links in this video's description. So go there and check out all the links. Also note one point here. You can create multiple QR code for multiple OTA business review listing with their own logo. So you can create them. Also don't force your guest to post specific review on specific platform. Also don't force a single guest to post review on multiple review platform. It looks spammy and fishy. Don't post too much review in a single day from a single location. If Google or any other review website may found those actions frequently from a single location, then they may block your account permanently. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your network. If you have any question, ask those questions in comment section. I will definitely answer those questions. Thank you.